Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Benidorm Scooter Sue here on another beautiful sunny day here in Benidorm. So, what do I love about Benidorm? What isn't there to love about Benidorm? Wall-to-wall sunshine, beautiful beaches, it's blue seas, the people, of course the bars, and of course, more than anything, there's a diversity here in Benidorm. So you got the girls out in the bars on the podium. Now it's warming up. I also love the diversity of Benidorm. The fact that there's many nationalities here in Benidorm, not just living but that come on the holidays. Spanish, English, we have the Romanians and the Dutch, Italians, Germans, and they all get on side by side without really any trouble. Of course, also there are many different sexual orientations in the old town, plenty of gay bars, but the fact that people can just be who they are is what I love about Benidorm as well. You can walk around Benidorm freely, can hold hands, and just basically be who you want. You can see Jolly Rogers is packed as well today. Try and go up here. Woo. Car. Jolly Rogers is heaving, as are the bars along here. Of course, it's the weekend now as well, so we've probably got a lot of the stag and hen do's in. And birthdays. It's good to see some bars back open. Thank you. Thank you. So I think we're gonna try and get off the cobbles a bit. This weather is lovely, it's really, really warm. I've just bumped into some good friends as well here on the holidays. So shout out to Dan and Mark. So hot today. People just going about their everyday stuff. Just doing their own thing. Nobody bothering anybody. If you want a taxi, it's usually a line of them here on the Avenida Mediterraneo. Lots of nice shops along this avenue. Nice little boutiques. Some of them are shut now for siesta. Some stay open. Ali hop. We've got the fountain here in the centre. "32 degrees" it's saying. Could very easily believe that. It is absolute scorcher today. Lots of people are out enjoying it. Another kebab and pizza shop where the pizza shop as well. So thanks guys for watching the video. Please hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe. And I will see you very soon on the next video.